Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a new Brawl Star account on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Brawl Star app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. If you are already logged in with an old account, tap on the gear icon or three straight line at the top right corner, then tap on settings, then tap on Supercell ID and log out and then confirm to log out. After logging out, tap play without Supercell ID to create a new account. This will let you restart fresh. Enter a nickname for your new account, make it unique and fun. This is how other players will see you in matches. Brawl Star will guide you through a short tutorial. Play the tutorial to learn basic controls and unlock your first brawler. Once your new account is ready, it's a good idea to link it to a Supercell ID, tap the settings, Supercell ID and register now. Then enter your email and create a password. This ensures your progress is saved and secure. Now you can customize your profile, pick a brawler and start playing events, challenges and matches with your new account. And that's it. By following these steps, you can create a new brawler or Brawl Star account on your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.